Hello guys, welcome back again. So guys, as you remember, we're still coding our app, finance app. This app will help us to manage our money. It will help us to save and control how we use our money. So this is where we left off, as you see on my right here. On the right of the screen, you can see this is where we left off. So our app supposed to look this way. You can see it is both layouts here. It's supposed to look exactly as the one on the right hand side. Okay, so let's continue, guys. So now I must add these navigation buttons at the bottom: profile, menu, and settings. Okay, let's get started. Okay, and for that we must check where is our layout. This one here. Scroll view. Okay, there is it. Scroll down and find where it ends. Okay, it ends somewhere here. And below this layout, just want to say relative layout. Relative. Let's see with match parent, and then hide web content. So this one must be aligned at the bottom of the screen. Let's see, align parent bottom true. Okay, and then inside this layout, just gonna add supposed to add this green line here. Okay, this right. Let's see, linear layout with match parent, and then height. Let's see, maybe 5 dp. Make the orientation to be horizontal. Okay, and then the background color, let's make it green. I'm gonna check the color code for green. Okay, there it is. On this color, here's the hash code for green. Yeah, so you can see it most here. And let me try to zoom in. There is it. And then below this linear layout, just want to add the text. There are 3 text view. Let me say text view, web content, include. In the text, want to say start with the one in the middle. Let's say menu. Should be below this linear layout. Let's just add the ID for it. ID line. Say horizontal green line. Okay. Say layout below. Okay. Make it center. Let's see, align, text alignment center. Okay, the layout must be on the center also. Parent, make just center horizontal. Okay. Okay, let's make it bold now. Text styles, bold. The color, text color is green. Just gonna copy this one. The color green. Okay. Change the font color to be bigger. Text size. The font. So let's make it 20 dp. I think it's fine there. Let's make it maybe 18. So it can look nice and neat on the screen. Good. Let's add some margins. Add margin on this. Okay, let me add it on the text, right? Margin. Let's see, 10 dp. Looks fine, I guess. I'm gonna add text profile in settings. Let's just copy this to make things easier. And the text here, I just wanna say profile. Okay, and then let's give it an ID. Let's say PTN profile. And then it must be stylistic, it must be on the center, it must be on the left of the text name txt balance. No, it must be on the left of this. I don't know what I've done. I think I made a mistake, guys. Made a big mistake. Made a big mistake. Supposed to copy this text here. Margin 80 degree, okay. Change the text here. Profile. Then ID. TXT profile. BT. And profile. That is for the shouldn't be on the center. Should be on the left. Provide is the new ID. ID. The PTN profile. To left of okay, below like there's a line there says hard coin line to left of ID. Should be on the left of main, and the ID for main is what doesn't have an ID. Let's give it an ID. TXT main TXT PTN main, left of TXT PTN main. Okay, here we go. Set the margin. Say margin and say maybe 50 dp. Okay, it doesn't work because we have these margins here. So margin drop. Let's make it 100 dp. Much better. cannot make this one bold. It must look the same as this one. It must look like text type. Then copy this one. Give it an ID. ID is a btn. Settings. Okay. Say settings. It should be to the right of me. Good. Yeah. Then margin start. Margin start. 100 days. Looks much better now. Okay, let's try to add some margin. And just contain margin bottom. 50 dp. Yes. Looks nice now. So this is the scroll view. This one, the container scroll view. Okay. It is what it is. Try to find a main. Below. Much better. Okay. Yeah, so now we have our app, guys. This is our for us to see this those buttons there, we must make this layout container smaller, but on the device it should work properly because it's a scroll view. It's gonna display nicely. You'll be able to scroll it down. The reason why it's showing on top of this layout we just created now is because the screen size here is smaller. So let's check other layout buttons here. You see? So on other devices gonna show well like this. Okay. Alright, thanks. Here we go. So this is how our app looks, guys. Looks nice. So in the next video we'll make all these buttons and text view work. Everything will work. It's gonna respond the right way. So if you haven't watched the previous videos of how our application work, the one we just did in Java code, please watch the previous videos. You'll see on how our app should operate. So now we're making the actual app, the real app that's gonna be uploaded on Play Store. So on the next video, just gonna get started and make all these buttons work properly. Okay, so far, so this is how our app looks. So our app looks. Okay, here's how our app looks. Don't mind the green background there, because I don't like this white. You can even make this one green also, if you want to. Can make it green. Like this, okay. Much better. Okay guys, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.